In this video, I will walk you through the steps to return items on Temu. So let's dive right in. So first off, head over to your Temu account either on temu.com or through the app. And once you're in, navigate to the Your Order section. Now, take a moment to check out the items and choose the one you want to return. Now, you need to give Temu a heads up on why you're returning it. And if there's any extra info about your order that Temu might need based on your reason, then go ahead and share that. And once you're all set, hit the next step button to keep things moving. Now, here's some great news. Return shipping is on the house for your first return on any order within 90 days from the purchase date. So when you're ready to send back your items, just choose your prepared return and refund method. And once you've made your choice, Temu will provide a return label for you. So once you've gathered all the items for return, then go ahead and print the provided return label and affix it to the outside of the package securely. Then simply drop by the nearest J&T Express location to ship it off. And you're good to go. So lastly, stay in the loop on the refund status for your item by checking your order details page or keeping an eye out for notifications from Temu via SMS, email, or push. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.